And we're on, guys. We got a nice one. Yep. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYang. We are out here fishing for walleyes in a crazy condition. What you're talking about 20 miles per hour wind, white caps, flipping over like it's just crazy. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. What a dramatic entrance to this intro, guys. Holy smoke. I just got here not too long ago, and we already got ourselves a nice fish on the purple fly. Yeah! Woo! Anyways, welcome back to another episode, guys. Holy smoke. Let's see here. Look at that beautiful fish. Let me show you guys real quick. They're all milking like crazy, dripping all over my box. Nice little 17-incher right here, that's for sure. On the purple fly, you guys see? Yeah, we are fishing a crazy condition that I do not recommend anyone coming out here unless you are experienced with fishing condition like this. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but let this fish go real quick. Let me measure real quick. Yep, here's shot from 18. So we're gonna let it go first. Anyways, woo! This condition is crazy. I don't recommend anyone coming out here. I'm not saying that I'm an expert, but this condition it's harsh, it is brutal. You can see the white caps in the background. It's just tough condition overall, but it does not bother the fish. Okay, if you guys are ever wondering, does the wind, does the wave, does it bother the fish? Absolutely not 100% at least, maybe like 10%, but they gotta eat. Okay, we all gotta eat, we all gotta snack, we all gotta feed our stomach. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is that it does not bother them, especially when they're in spawning mode like this. They're milking everywhere. They are aggressive, so when they hit it real hard. They either cut your line or you hook them just like that. So without me talking too much, let's get into this video. Let's do some fishing, let's have a good time, and maybe I can talk to you guys what I'm doing. Again, fishing the Rock River. No secrets, nothing crazy. The only secret is if you're willing to come out here. That's all I gotta say. Let's get back to it. Let's catch some more fish. Let's find some keepers, that way, geez, we don't go home empty-handed. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already on the water. It's just windy as heck. Stay tuned. Got a big one on. Not giant, but it's decent. There you go. I don't know if it's focusing. I got polarized lens on. Inhale my purple fly. Ready real quick. Just the hair. Hair off, guys. Going back. This wind is crazy. Holy smoke. I don't know if this wind is crazy or I'm crazy being out here. White caps, 20 miles per hour wind. We're in some trouble now, but we're already in it. So let's catch some fish. It doesn't bother the fish, that's for sure. These walleyes are still in here doing their thing. This wind does not bother them. It's just a matter of, can you, as an angler, oh, I just missed one, withstand it. That's it. So I guess I could talk to you guys for a little bit here. So basically, what I'm doing, right? What I'm simply doing when I'm on the boat fishing for, let me turn this way, I feel more confident this way. When I'm fishing on a boat, pulling flies, on a windy day, okay? On a windy day, I try not to do too much movement with my fly, right? With my sinker. I'll check it up here and there. As you guys see me twitch, sometimes I'll twitch up and down like this, you know? And I hold it still, because I know that there's current coming down this way, okay? You know the wind is blowing this way, the main current channel is still going this way. I know it's a little tricky and like there's an illusion going on here. Like it looks like the current is going this way, but it's not. The main current is going this way. And what you want to do is you want to hold that fly in place as long as you can. And anytime when you find that nice hard bottom structure, like you can feel it with your sinker, right? Like right now, I can feel it tap. So my goal here, I'm not retrieving. I'm just simply moving that sinker and let that current push it back into that spot, into that gravel area, the hard bottom, trees, whatever lay down it is, whatever structure it is down there, right? And I'm assuming that there's a walleye down there, because right now they're spawning. They're looking for hard bottom, gravel, sand, whatever, right? I'm assuming that once I pull my fly into that spot, I'm gonna dead stick it a little bit. I hold my rod tip up just like that, and hopefully they nick it, they hit it, you know, they strike it. You can feel them pull real hard. If it's a white bass, they'll crush it. But walleyes, you'll feel like a nice tug. And that is also why having a sensitive rod is very, very important, right? Using braid is good. You can feel the bottom a lot better with braid. Other than that, there's no secret to it. Basically, you cast it out on a boat. You don't have to cast too far either. I mean, you can if you want to, right? But that's when you scan around first to look where you want to target. And then you just want to pop your fly in there and try to keep that fly in that spot for as long as you can. Right now I'm casting real hard because it's windy, but I promise you it's not going anywhere. So I'm just casting into that spot, same spot. I'm parked right like in 4 feet, 5 feet of water. I'm casting to like 8 feet of water. I'm assuming they're in that dip. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. Like I don't know, you know. But like I said, this wind is the challenging part too. And also when you're fishing in like wind condition like this, it plays a huge factor, right? It changes a lot of what you have to do, how you're going to perform that fly. The fish is still in there. It doesn't bug them. They're in there. They're waiting to spawn. They're waiting to feed. They're in the water. Like they're just chilling there. They have nowhere else to go besides moving up and down the river. But if you can present the fly correctly in front of them, oh yeah, they'll crush it. You know, they'll hit it with no second thought. Other than that, you just keep casting, keep finding that hard bottom, tap it as much as you can, and just try to keep that fly in place. You know, a lot of times I see guys on the boat, they're like jigging real fast back like this, right? They're like doing this back. I don't know why, but you're already at the spot, so you don't have to jig so much, you know. Kind of take your time, you know, slow it down a little bit, let it sit, and just pull, let it sit, pull and let it sit. Let that fly drip, let the river do its thing, and eventually you'll get a bite from doing that. So that's my tip for you guys today, and hopefully we can catch more. Got one. I don't think he's that big, but he's a runner. Oh, jeez. Just a runner. Boom! Let's go! Oh yeah, they got a nice fish. Woo! Relax, chill, chill. All right, there you go, guys. Nice milky male, right there. Good fish on the red and green as always. And we're fishing in some rough condition, guys. Like super rough condition. This guy has a really big head. So we get our fly out here. Got it, yes. All right, see if he's 18. I don't think so. Oh my gosh, hair shy. Look at that, guys. Pinch tail and everything. Just off by like a hair. Yep. Wow, just a hair shy. Beautiful fish going back. What can you do, right? Still a ton of fun. They're a lot bigger though, that's for sure. This weather does not bug them, so that's okay with me. Here we go. We're on. It's a nice one. They're all pretty nice, man. Oh yeah, dude's not surfacing. That might be a keeper. I don't want to jinx it though. That's a nice fish. What is this? Oh, it's a freaking drum. No wonder it was running so much. Ah. Oh, that's a nice walleye. He's running real fast. Freaking drum. Oh man. That's a fast running walleye. Oh, you got one. Not big though, little guy. Little dude. Spawning male. Relax, chill, chill. She hit it hard. Alright guys, so I think I'm just gonna wrap it up here. I might just make a few casts here and there, but it's cold. My fingers are cold. Body isn't too cold, but my fingers are cold and my lips are cold too. So with that being said, hopefully you guys learned something today. I mean, the only thing you guys learned is that yes, they still do bite in windy days. That was my point to prove to you guys that you can still come out here and catch them in windy days. It's just that it's not going to be like as fire as you guys would call it, but you will still catch them. You can still pick them off of their holes and their drop off and everything. So it's not like they're not here. They're here. So I mean, I've only been out here for like 4 or 5 hours, so not too bad at all. I mean, caught them. It was fun. Didn't get any keeper, but just how it is. So that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, leave comment down below, hit the thumbs up. I don't know what's going on, man. I don't know what's next. White bass, I'm still waiting for them. Yeah, I can go find them too, but yeah, I kind of want to find them around here. I know they get big here, they're fun, and they're aggressive. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next